Hi guys, my name is Eric. Thank you so much for coming if this is your first time. If you are returning, thank you for returning again. For my new people, I usually post on YouTube every day, unless I don't have time, and then what I will be trying to do though is record 7 videos in one day, so I have something to upload, and then the next week I can film 7 more, and then kind of just keep doing that. Because I've been kind of slacking with these videos, so I do apologize for that. I do intend to post every day though. So hopefully you will join this YouTube cult going on here. But yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm back to finish the look. I will be going in with, I think I'm going to go in with this brown. Let me swatch it real quick. This brown and then this taupey darker brown. So I'm going to put this on. It's almost the color of my skin. And then I'll put this in the crease just to deepen it up a little bit. Where's my twerk? My twerk! I gotta go soon though. I gotta go pick up some stuff from Costco. This is there. Okay. Cool beans. Then let's swirl. Dab, 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 dab. The reason I heard it's better to use why the Tape Shape is such a popular eye primer is because it does dry down matte, and this will allow your shadows to blend just a little bit easier. Yeah, we got that. And then let's go in with, I want to go in with a super fluffy where is this brush? This is the Morphe 441. It's a super fluffy brush. I'm just going to swirl out the extra color that's in there because I don't remember what I used. And then we're going to go into the light brown first. Tap that off. And then just swirl. You kind of just swirl it all over your eyelid. I'm just going to pat first and then blend. Pat, blend. Just really massage it everywhere. Okay, cool. You don't really see a difference, but when you have concealer on, it really adds the color back to it. So then let's just go back in on this eye. I could probably go into a darker shade, but it's okay. I just need it to be seamless. Okay. And then I will go. Let me change the light. That's better. Then I will go into. I'm gonna go into this brush. This is a Sonia Kashuk brush. I'm gonna go into the darker brown. Is it? It's like a reddish brown. I'm just gonna go into that, tap it off, and then I'm just gonna go into it. I'm gonna go at the outer section and then kind of finagle and then bring it in. Just pat. Do you guys like that lighting better? I think that looks better. Let me turn it down. I feel like I wanna. No. I thought I wanted to go crazier, but this is more of like a wearable look. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into it to do the other eye. And then kind of wiggle it on the outer section. So like back and forth. This will just help give your eye a little bit more definition without having to do something too crazy. And then when you have it like kind of blended out, I'm just gonna wiggle it here. Let's blend that a little bit more. And then I'm gonna pop in an inner corner, and then we should be good to go. I'm gonna go in with this pinky shade. So I'm just gonna tap it with my finger. Just get a little bit of product, and then kind of I'm gonna tap it all in here. And do that with this side. Okay, and just tap it, and then take it all the way in onto the lid. And then it just kind of makes this outer part just like deepen up a little bit more because your inner part is like kind of light now. Let's see. Yeah, I really love this look. It's very soft. And then you can also take the shade you originally got. I'm gonna switch it and then kind of take your original transition shade and kind of just rub that on the lower lash line. Only just to smoke it out a little bit more. And then connect it back. And I'm just gonna wing this out if I can. It's like very subtle, but just go back and forth here. Cool. So that is the soft look. I hope you guys love it. So yeah, that's 3 ways you can do the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now, play the outro. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found this video like beneficial at all. Like if it helped you make any decisions on your purchases or anything. If you want, you can find me on Twitter at ericquezada24053, Snapchat at ericquezadaQ24053, the same one, Instagram ericnerd, and TikTok ericquezada8. And I'll have it all listed down below too. And I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.